What's going on? Today we're making up some Kobe beef smash burgers with some Tabasco mashed sausage on Cajun RNEWBBQ. That's right, we're gonna do up some Kobe beef smash burgers, and we're gonna put on top of it some Tabasco mashed sausage. I got a connection with a butcher who's got a connection with somebody at Tabasco. They got their hands on some Tabasco mash and they put it inside of the sausage. You know that's gonna be good. And today we're gonna use some Saints and Sinners all-purpose seasoning and their sweet heat on the burgers. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead now and start dividing up the Kobe beef into small little balls. Put a little bit of the all-purpose rub on the outside first. Now we're going to go ahead and hit it up with that sweet heat. We're going to go ahead and start putting on our sausage first. I cut them into smaller pieces, as you see. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our Kobe beef patties. We're going to go ahead and smash them down now. Oh yeah, just listen to that. Gonna go ahead and hit up the sausage up with a little bit of seasoning now. Although I know they have enough with that Tabasco mash in there, I just want to hit them up just a little bit more. Oh, this smell is just oh so good. Sausage is coming along nicely. This Kobe beef is cooking great. Gonna go ahead and flip these now. All right, we all good now. Time to pull them. Time to pull this sausage too. We're gonna go ahead now and build the burger. Go ahead and put a little mayo down. Grab a patty. Put a piece of sausage on there. Couple onions, drown all that in some barbecue sauce, top that off. There we go. So this is gonna be my first time tasting Kobe beef. Never tried it before in my life. Always too expensive. So ground meat, the way to go. That burger went down oh so smooth. Right amount of fat, right amount of meat, just silky. And then that Tabasco mashed sausage on top. Oh yeah, right amount of heat with it. Mixed in with the S&S spices, can't go wrong with it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.